Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Let the darkness take control.
So this is a new project you're going to see on the channel. This is a 1990 240SX. It has a single cam J in it. But the goal is to get this car running. Sunday we had flash floods in Missouri and the whole car was underwater up to here. So whole wiring harness and everything is completely underwater. First step tomorrow is just taking it apart, cleaning everything. We're going to try and clean up the wiring harness. Thankfully the battery is disconnected when it went underwater, so it might be savable. But we're really going to try to get this started. I got a few parts from this I'm going to put on my car to make it a little bit nicer. But besides that, we're going to try to get this running and turn it into a drift missile. So it's going to be a fun project, maybe. If not, it's going to get parted out, whatever. But yeah, stay tuned. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and end the video right there. Stay tuned for part 2 where we're going to try to get this car running. Today was just a good cleaning time to get the car actually able to be worked on without getting myself completely filthy with flood mud. The goal for tomorrow is to get that car running maybe. I just want to start it up real quick and then I'm going to pull it apart and clean everything super good. But stick that on there. The headlights go on, which is a good sign. So that makes me happy at least. And we're gonna give it a shot tomorrow cranking. But yeah, stay tuned. See you tomorrow. Peace.